Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing fine. And today I have created this beautiful blue smoky eyes. I would recommend you to pair with pinks, grays or pastel colors. But if you want, you can also go ahead and pair it with a blue. If you want to learn how I created this look, please keep on watching. I've started with a concealer. It's a Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I have set it with a loose powder. You can use any loose powder here, and then I'm starting with a lightest brown shade. I'm using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette here. I'll place the color above my crease and blend it with a large blending brush. You can take the color 2-3 times, and then I'll take a medium brown shade, which is a reddish brown shade, with a medium blending brush, and I'll apply on the crease, not below the crease, not too much above the crease, it's in between. And then I'll switch on to small blending brush and apply the dark brown shade over the crease. You can see it's exactly on the crease, not above, not below, and I'm deepening the crease with the darkest brown color. Now I'm blending everything. Now I have taken a black kajal and applied it over the eyelid. It will act as a base for the blue shadow, and then I'm blending it with a small blending brush. Now I'm packing the blue color from the same Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette all over my eyelid. And then I'll take a glitter glue, which is from NYX Cosmetic. I'll pack the glitter glue and then I'll apply the glitter. Make sure that you apply the glitter very carefully. It should not go beyond that blue color. It should stay in your lid. Now I'm applying the eyeliner. It's from If you have applied glitter, it's appropriate that you apply a gel liner or a liquid liner. Now I've applied eyelashes. You can see I have completed the eyes and I'm just blending. If you see any lines, just blend them properly. Now I'm cleaning up my face and applying the primer. I have taken protecting primer because I don't want to layer many products on my face. I'll be using a kind of medium to full coverage foundation. It's from Maybelline 24-hour Stay Foundation. I'm applying it all over the face and blending it. Now I'm doing the cream contour. I have used a Jaclyn shade here and I'm blending with a different brush. To highlight my face, I have used Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and I am just putting the concealer using my finger on the highlighted area and then blending it. Use your fingers to blend out the nose. Now I'm setting with a loose powder. I'm using a banana powder mixed with a translucent powder, and I'm highlighting my face. Now I'm setting my contour with the NYX contour palette. I'm using the powder contour here. Wherever I use the cream contour, I'm setting up with a powder contour. Now I am applying the highlighter. I have applied the kajal And then I have blended the kajal. I've used a little purple just to, you know, give different colors on the lower lid. Okay, now I'm applying the blush and I'll be putting the highlighter. I'll be putting the lipstick here. I have used the pinkish mauvish lipstick. I'm sorry it didn't get recorded. So here's my final look. I hope you like it. If you really like this video and if it was helpful for you, please like this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.